Hey guys, this is Mike Omar from www.makemoneyfromhomelionsclub.com. In the last lesson, I was showing you guys the basics of how to use WordPress on this website we're developing, MikeOmarPhotography.com. I showed you how to add posts, how to add pages, how to modify the sidebar with widgets, and how to change up the theme to different themes. And this one we're going to go over a few more advanced concepts. I'm going to show you guys how to add links.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
You can add links to posts or to your sidebar, to your pages. I'm also going to show you how to add photos to your website. I'm going to show you how to add social media buttons to post to the homepage wherever you want. I'll show you guys how to add a contact form to your website so that instead of listing an email address, you can just have them fill out a form, press the send button, and that'll go straight to your inbox. I'll also go over a little bit of e-commerce with you by showing you how to add a PayPal button. So if this website ends up being one of the freelancing websites and you're charging $500 per website, you could have a you could have a button there right on your sidebar where they click on it and then they can pay you $500 through PayPal, which they can pay you through credit card, and that'll go straight to your account. Also, if this ends up being a photography services website for you, you can also use the PayPal buttons as well. I'll show you how to do that, and you can set any price you want. For those of you that are building a website for your own business and you have a location, I'll show you how to get Google Maps on there and set up a tab for Google Maps. If you're developing a blog or something where you want to stay connected with people who might be interested in your services or simply what you have to post, I'll show you how to add a newsletter or mailing list sign-up form. And it could be one of those sign-up forms that's always there or one of the pop-up sign-up forms. I'll show you how to add both of those. And then also, if you are building this website for photography as either a services website or simply your portfolio, I'll show you how to add an affiliate link to your sidebar so you could connect to the photography school, and then if anyone clicks on that link, goes to the photography school and becomes a member, you'll make a commission, and that'll be a form of passive income for you. So in this lesson, there's going to be a little bit of everything depending on what you want, but knowing how to do all these things will really help you out in the long run because it'll essentially teach you all the things you need to know no matter what kind of website you want to build. So let's get started on completing this website. Alright, so in the last lesson I have a bunch of just random stuff that I was showing you to just give you an example of how it all works, like all the stuff in the sidebar and everything, but this time let's start really figuring out exactly how I want to do the layout of this website. So website/wp-admin, put in your username and password, and I'll see you at the next screen on the back end. Okay, so here we are on the back end. Let's go to pages and see what we have. So pages right now, we have contact me, sample page. This is the page I want on my home page. So let's just do a quick edit here. Let's just actually call this welcome. Welcome update. All right, give it a second. Welcome to my website. I will be happy to make you a website or, take photos for your engagement, wedding, etc. Pretty much whatever service you provide or whatever this website it does, you just write whatever it is that you want. So that's just a quick example. It could be a freelancing website. It could just be like, take a look at the great photos I've taken. This is my blog about cars. Whatever it is. It's just a welcome screen. That's going to be on your home page. Update. All right. Now, let's add a new page. It's going to be the About page. About me. I am Mike. Publish. Sample page is the one that came with WordPress. Let's trash this. Okay, contact me. It's already set. Feel free to contact me about anything at all on my contact form below. Or, sorry, by filling out my contact form below. And later on I'll show you how to add that contact form, but let's just leave this set up for now. Update. Let's see, what else do we want to add here? So right now we're just kind of doing the frame of what this website will eventually be. Map. This is the location of my business. And then we're going to put a Google Maps right here, one of the interactive ones, but again, I'll do that later in the lesson. And then add new. Samples of my work. Here are samples of my work. And then this could be, you know, other websites, you know, websites I've made. It could be photos you've taken, etc. Publish. And again, I'm gonna fill this out in a bit, but you know, just to give a quick example. And let's do a rates page. Rates. For a website, I charge $500, which if you've ever looked into having someone make a website for you, $500 is actually a really good price. For an evening of my photography services plus, you know, all prints or whatever it is that you do. Let's just say $1,000 to say something. For both, only $1,200. So yeah, I mean, whatever type of business you decide to make, you can always make a website for a person and put all the photos you take of them on there. There's all kinds of things you can do, but this is just it for now. Publish. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Down here, visit site. Okay, awesome. So these are all the pages that we just made. Welcome is the page that we're on. Oh, okay, this is a home page. Welcome is a home page because there's nothing here. But we eventually want this one to scoot all the way over here, and we'll find a way to do that. About me. It's fine. Contact me. Okay, it all looks pretty good. Uncategorized. Okay, so for some reason the categories are showing up here. We want to take that off eventually. Again, every theme works a little bit different, so it's going to be a little bit of discovery. I guess my photos is another category we made in the last lesson. We also want to get rid of that. And then over here on the side, we can do a bunch of different stuff here. So hold on, let's see what we do. First, let's go to appearance and widgets. And we're going to get rid of all of these just to clean it up a bit. Let's get rid of this, 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 this. And actually, we're only going to put one there.